7 minus 2 is 5. Then 7 minus 2 is also 5. So 5 times 5 equals 25. Absolutely not. That's not the answer, because we should go with the order of operations. So the order starts with parentheses at first, so they have the higher priority. And then we have exponents. We have multiplication or division, so they have the same priority. We have addition, and then we have subtraction. So PEMDAS, that's the right one. So PEMDAS, pay attention to this and memorize it. So they have the same priority, and they have the same priority: multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So whichever comes first, from left to right. So with this in mind, let's approach this problem again. So 7 minus 2, so we have a parenthesis here. We should do this first. 7 minus 2, so let me write it again here. 7 minus 2, then we have 7 minus 2 in the brackets. 7 minus 2, we should do the parentheses at first. It is 5. And then we can rewrite it as this: 7 minus 2, and then parentheses is like a multiplication. So 7 minus 2 times 5. Now, according to the PEMDAS, multiplication, M has a higher priority than subtraction. So we should do this first. 7 minus 2 times 5, that is 10. Now 7 minus 10, that's minus 3, and that's the final answer.